This bitch. No.
Sometimes we call, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
I've made it to the ride. Hey, Nicole. Y'all remember those babies?
Yay!
The New York babies?
Okay, babies.
And that's, oh, ready?
Wait, where's yours?
Oh. Guys, we are finally here at the resort. Transportation just dropped us off. Why isn't nobody meeting me with a cocktail? Whatever. This bitch. No, I missed it.
Just get up, man.
Get up. Sir, she's going back to the airport with you. Oh my God. Oh wow, this is terrible.
Is she crying?
No. Sir, she just does crack. You know, it happens.
She broke up with her girlfriend.
Thank you.
What kind of food they got here?
Say hey, Zaddy.
Hey, Zaddy. Hola, Zaddy.
So we're at the Asian restaurant waiting on my sister. Dinner. They have our little names on here.
I like that.
Why don't you rub that down there?
Give it some time. Oh my God, I'm gonna need this tomorrow.
She would go back to the room and take an ice cold shower just to go back to the pool.
I don't like cold.
But you're like us. You're
Russia.
Why can't I see New Orleans?
Anna Delvey.
I never acclimated to that podcast.
I like how
Oh,
this
this
smells.
feels so good.
Thank you.
This feels so.
I want to wipe my face. Guess what? We got more money on because we got more people here. You little boof over
Happy
there.
birthday.
Olive. Happy birthday, Olive.
Y'all are like weeks apart.
That's why y'all both get on my damn nerves the same. Shit.
No, seriously, you guys like, oh.
Yeah, it smells
It smells so good.
It really does smell good. Like, this smells intoxicating.
It smells like a lemon lollipop.
It smells like lemon lavender. Say hi, Naja. Cause she wanted to lick her tongue at me. Hi, Marla. She is divorced. She is over it.
Over that broke bitch.
Facts. That's Greg. Hey, Greg. That's her man. You know, he just very brand new as of yesterday. They just met yesterday. It's like, hey Parker man, hey Lucy, hey Olive, Miss Pouty Pout. Hi Nicole, and that is my brother Kurt, Zaddy.
a ton of cilantro.
I mean, mango.
Really?
Mango.
Because I'm looking out for her. I don't want her gagged.
Thank you, brother. So the chef made our table this for everybody. And it's full of cilantro.
You and KK got
I had cilantro. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna be a good sport.
It's good.
I'm gonna try
KK, my
it.
charger's not charging you. What did you do to it? KK broke the
Yeah, thank you.
charger.
Oh my god.
You broke the charger. Try a piece of the orange yellow looking thing.
The mango. Ooh, that's good stuff.
Oh my god.
Just swallow it like it's a big load.
I'm gonna put that to bed nice and early every night. Free dime.
It tastes like fucking soap.
Like soap.
Like a big load.
But it's good if you like it. If you like cilantro. Okay. The subtle flex.
Oh, girl.
Hold on, wait. Don't sit down. Ooh. Get him, girl.
Sit down.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, I want you guys off the devices. I want you to eat.
All right, welcome back to another room tour. So we're at the Velas. We're staying at the Zen. I don't know. The part of this hotel is called the Zen Suites, I think. So this is the room 219, and behind us, you know, it's just open space, and then, you know, the rest is outside, like jungle-like. So let's go in. I like how the door opens. It's like pivotal a little bit. Excuse them, they're in the back like laughing. So this is how the door shuts. This is how you control the power in the room. You stick your key card inside, and then there's a light here and the exercise. Okay, this is the closet. It has the his and hers robe as well as the beach bag. That's free. I'm sorry if the lighting is off. And then it comes with says insect repellent, a blow dryer, things for your shoes, baskets. I'm not sure what's in these baskets, so let me check. It looks like nothing, so it looks like you can put the, like dirty clothes and stuff in there. And there's the thing where you put your luggage on. Forgot the proper term of that. And then there's also, I don't know what this is, child, but there's the iron board, and it has hangers and stuff. So when you first walk in, there's a restroom to your right and a closet to your left, and you just open it up, and this is the restroom. All right, so they have a hot tub here, and then they have like towels, soap, and another towel right there. I think it's a hand towel. And then on the sinks, it's a double sink, a his and her sink. So they have soap on this side. This is how you control the water, how you turn it on and off. I believe one is hot, one is cold. I'm not sure, but I think so. Then they give you a shower cap, a shaving set, a dental set, hand towels and face towels, also hand wash and body wash, and lotion, sorry. And then there's like Jesus, why can't I remember anything? There's mouthwash, and then like a sewing kit, 2 waters, 2 glasses, a plug here, a plug there, the lights, and over here is like where your cotton balls and your other toiletries will be, and then some more soap. And then how you control that side, you control this side. So there's a scale, a floor mat, some more hand towels, and then the trash can. I like the scale because most places don't have scales. And then behind you is a Kleenex box with Kleenex inside, an ottoman chair or bench to do makeup, and then mirror to do makeup. And then there's the shower, the walk-in shower. It has an overhead thing. And then it has where the water comes out here as well, and then a bench. And then inside there's conditioner, shampoo, soap, and then like a loofah, and then you control the water from here. So here in the restroom is the toilet, the restroom basically, and then there's 2 things for toilet paper, 2 handles, and then the toilet, and there's nothing really special, you just flush. Okay, so when you first walk in, you have like your coffee bar. That's what I like to call it, coffee and tea bar. So they have a teapot for you. They have citrus tea, Earl Grey tea, citron tea, and then they have the 2 mugs, and then they have the coffee here, and then also the espresso machine, and then your sugar and stuff like that. So here is the mini bar, and there's Mexican chips, candy, stuff like that, a bottle of wine, and then ice, and then glasses. And then there is sodas, wines, waters, Snickers, Hershey, stuff like that. So they have light Coke. It's all in Spanish, so it's the Spanish brand, so yeah. Okay, so here we have an umbrella stand. It comes with 2 umbrellas, and then they give you a face mask, sanitizing wipe, sanitizer, the TV, the bed. And there's another nightstand on this side over here with the lamp, 2 chairs for the sitting area, and then 2 benches, 2-foot benches. And then on this side there's a table, and it did come with some nice stuff. Let's see, what is this? Mezcal. Ooh, and I think they put some lemon in here, and some salt, and shot glasses. Oh hell, I'm not going outside because there's a giant ass bug. But here's the patio. And that is all. Do you guys see the bug? Ooh. I hear something out there.